Hi guys, and welcome to this video on the Unitary method, part of our general maths course over here in Australia, but useful to the world. Don't worry if you're not in Australia or you're not in whatever year 11, it's fine. The Unitary method is the Unitary method and is part of a fabulous course and an introduction to maths. My name is Darren, MaffsGuru, and it is really good to see you. If you haven't already done so and you are new to my channel, can I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel? There's about 8 people. I know, it's fine. But why subscribe? It just lets me know you're watching. It's weird sitting in this room talking to myself, basically, wondering if anyone's ever going to watch any of these videos. And by you clicking subscribe, I just go to myself, yes, one more person is watching my videos. Thank you very much. There is also MaffsGuru.com, where all of these videos are sorted by textbook, by chapter. They have downloadable notes. There is time codes. There is all sorts of stuff over there. Exam questions. Free to sign up. Just head over there and let your mates know. Okay, so this lesson we are looking at, yes, basically what the Unitary method is and how to use it. And it is funky. I've been recording a load of Year 9 and Year 10 videos, and there is massive amounts of work in lots of different chapters. Thankfully for this bit of course, you only need to know, roughly speaking, what it is and how to solve some of the most basic questions. So, trying to recap all the work that's gone on before, it's all so different. Yeah, this first section of the course is just trying to sort of recap all the important maths that you're going to use later on. So we're dealing with decimals and percentages and fractions and Unitary method and all that funky maths using your calculator to help you solve these type of questions. So if you haven't already watched them, MaffsGuru.com, head back, have a look. They are there for you to watch. But what is a unit? I couldn't resist it. There are so many cheesy puns in this course. I typed in unit into, and that came out, it's a, no. Okay. A unit in maths. Now, I love the idea of going shopping. I really don't. I hate going shopping. My other half walks around the supermarket and basically is looking at the unit cost. We're trying to find a bargain and a best buy for just about everything. How do we do that? Well, thank you so much, Coles and Woolies. You've put those little unit things in the corner that says, this is how much one unit costs. So for example, using a really bad image from the internet, we have found here that there is ketchup, which is basically $2.89, and ketchup, which is $2.09. Which one is the best buy? Well, obviously I'm going to buy this one here, the $2.09, aren't I? Well, maybe, but why am I borrowing this? Well, let's have a look. You can't actually see here at this moment in time how big this is, but it says that, can we find out? Oh yeah, this is 44.5 ounces. Again, this must be an American thing, against 35 ounces. So basically they're two different capacities of ketchup. So which one is the best value? Well, they tell you here. And funnily enough down there as well, I don't know why they show it twice. This thing here is a unit price. So it says 4 per ounce. Now you can't see that, but per ounce it is $6.94. That can't be right. 6.94 cents, I think that's supposed to be. So per ounce it's 6.94, and here it basically says unit price per ounce here is 6.54. So if I was going to look at that, I'd be looking at myself saying, aha, this one here is the better value because it's less per ounce. So if you ever go shopping, look at those things. It's fascinating. Sometimes you're actually better off buying 2 of something than the 1 because the unit pricing and whatever else actually works better for you if you don't get suckered into buying bigger is better for you. So we're going to try and find the unit cost of 1 unit. And generally speaking, to find the unit cost, which means one thing, I'm going to take the total cost of all the items and divide by how many items there were. So if I walked into a shop and bought, I don't know, 334 jelly babies, a pack with 334 jelly babies, and it cost me $6, then basically I could work out how much each of those jelly babies cost me. Oh, how exciting. Now, don't press stop, not just yet, guys. This is a preview video and you've reached almost the end of it, but it does continue over on MaffsGuru.com. MaffsGuru.com, yep, that's my custom website. Bits of it you can see around me at the moment. That has been designed to allow the videos to be easier searched than they are on YouTube. So you can search by chapter, by textbook. Each video has downloadable notes for you, so you can put them in your summary book or your exercise book. There are exam questions, and there is more and more content and more stuff coming. as time allows. So head on over there. It's absolutely free to sign up, and I'm doing everything I can to make sure that you guys enjoy maths and actually take out the mastery of maths. It is not as hard as you think. It is all smoke and mirrors. Okay, thanks very much. Take care, guys. I look forward to seeing you in another video. Stay safe.